Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi A8 hood. This process is straightforward, involving two main steps to ensure safety. First, you'll need to find the primary hood release lever located inside your car. It's usually on the driver's side, down by your left knee, beneath the instrument panel. Give this lever a firm pull towards you to release the initial hood latch. Once you've pulled the interior release, you'll hear a distinct click, and the front edge of your Audi A8's hood will pop up slightly, creating a small gap. This is a clear sign that the primary locking mechanism has successfully disengaged. Do not try to force the hood open at this stage, as there is still a secondary safety latch in place. Now walk to the front of your Audi A8 and look into the gap created by the partially opened hood, specifically around the radiator grille area. You should see a small secondary release handle or lever. This is a safety catch. Gently lift the hood upward by about 2 to 3 inches with one hand, and with your other hand, pull this small handle to the side, usually towards the driver's side, to release the final lock. Once the safety catch is disengaged, you can fully lift the hood of your Audi A8. It will open smoothly and remain securely in place, supported by its gas-filled struts. These struts are designed to hold the hood open, providing you with ample space to access the engine bay for any maintenance or checks. Always ensure it's stable before proceeding with any work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.